guys? Welcome back to DamnGoodCooking.com. It's your boy Dave, and today we got SSWI Game Nation and ER Buckets in the building.
ER Buckets is in the building.
I'll go to the left there. We got Mr. Clutch. Tell us a little bit about yourself, Mr. Clutch.
I'm Mr. Clutch. I'm from SSWI. I'm an admin. Also ER Buckets. I entertain people with non-funny highlights.
You guys
got to check that out. YouTube channel, ER Buckets.
And Mr. Too Legit, tell us a little bit about yourself there.
Mr. Too Legit, aka Fast Wings for SSWI Game Nation. Don't know what SSWI Game Nation is? You can head over there to the Twitter page, check us out, submit your gaming clip. Streamers that's out there, anything that's involved in gaming, yeah, we're there for you.
It's really cool. You guys got to check it out. I'm not just hyping it up because these are my younger brothers, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Yucky stuff. Not necessarily the yucky stuff, but we're just going to taste some stuff here and see how it is. I don't want to say it's a challenge because it's not really a challenge. This is like things that maybe your grandparents might eat.
Damn.
The first one up is easy, so let's see what we got there.
Spicy chips.
These aren't that bad.
Barbecue chip ruffles.
Not bad. I like it. Different.
It tastes like you put like 1% of barbecue on it.
Love you, so bring it. Whatever you got for me.
Prepared for something worse. I was prepared. Because I know in the last show y'all had something.
Green tomatoes, Lay's, weighty, so pretty cool.
Beans, tomatoes.
Beans, green.
Round two.
How did you like the chip?
It was okay. It wasn't bad as what I thought it was going to be. I was prepared for something spicy, like the last episode.
Seemed like it would be delicious, but it's actually really good.
I think if I would have known fried green tomato beforehand, I wouldn't have been to the chip.
Yeah, I don't think it's like when you go navigate your way through the grocery store and you see that bag and you're like, oh, I'm going to try this. We're probably the only one that bought the bag, but it's actually pretty good. I'm glad we tried it.
Next plate. Next plate. Oh my God.
Fear factor?
Looks of it, it's
Cottage cheese or something.
yeah. Let's we'll get a nice spoonful.
A whole spoon, no silver.
No silver?
No silver.
No silver.
That is not what I remember eating before. It's cottage cheese. Yeah, it's horrible.
Intermission.
20 minutes later.
I had a hard time now.
Thoughts on that dish there?
You see, he crying.
Yeah, because, like I said, we're taking it kind of back to, foods that maybe your grandparents might eat. I mean, I kind of remember growing up, I used to eat cottage cheese and peaches. To me, that was like the perfect combo. Let's talk about...
I never ate cottage cheese.
Never had cottage cheese.
Never had cottage cheese and never will have it again.
See, it shows the big generation gap there because when I was growing up, my mom used to give me cottage cheese and peaches. And see, I don't know. What are some of the foods you guys remember Mom and Dad making?
PB&J's.
What the hell did you just say?
Man, peanut butter and jellies. I know that's a.
Wait,
P&J.
What?
P&J.
PB&J.
PB&J. PB&J. PB&J. I mean, the peanut butter and jelly is special.
Yeah.
I know that's original,
but the one I grew up on, I had it was like the peanut butter and jelly all in one jar. It was like a stripe of peanut butter, a stripe of jelly. Now that was delicious. What about you? PB&J's also?
I had PB&J's.
What was one of your favorite dishes?
One of my favorite dishes was eat cereal.
Yeah, you still eat cereal. That's it. What's your favorite cereal?
Favorite cereal is Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's like Tony food. Our dogs.
This is like Spam. This is an old school food.
It's old school food. It's definitely...
So the whole thing or a piece?
We might as well just do the whole thing, right?
This look disgusting. This is dog food.
that's the thing that's mentally bothering me. Our dog is behind the camera there, and she's going crazy because I think she wants it.
Yeah, she's smelling. that. Oh,
Some glorious spam.
people eat this.
Jalapeno.
Do you cook it?
Oh, you won't cook it. You just eat it as is. I think. You eat it as is.
You know, I'm gonna send you guys home with a gift today. Don't ever say I didn't get you anything. You can have the spam.
You think homeless people want this?
That's from this time. We'll start with the far left. What's one of the nastiest dishes you guys remember growing up?
Oh, yeah. I got one for you.
I can go with cereal. The nastiest.
Nastiest cereal. Okay, what's the nastiest
Was
cereal?
Honey Smacks.
Honey Smacks. Nobody
Honey
eats Honey Smacks.
Smacks.
Nastiest dish.
Cheesy potato. I hate that.
Oh,
cheesy potato.
Yeah.
Daddy told me, like, you can't get up from this table. And I told him I couldn't eat it. He didn't believe me, bro. Get up from the table until I ate those cheesy potatoes. He did not believe me that I did not like them damn potatoes.
Dish was she used to have some other type of broccoli with cheese that was just, I mean, even the smell of the cheese on the broccoli, and broccoli alone just stinks, but it wasn't like the real broccoli. It was just some other kind of crap that was in a bag. And sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. I didn't think about that. My mom's an excellent cook now. I mean, that's where I learned from. So, but this was like when I grew up, it was a little bit different. But that broccoli was just horrible, and the cheesy potatoes, I think he did something to us here.
Yeah, that cheesy potatoes is deadly.
Let's see what we got next there. Oh, it's in the dish. We get something to wash this stuff down with. It's not too much, so it's a odd looking color.
All right.
Very unique. Let's cheers.
It looks like it's ready.
And
Wait, okay.
bottoms up, empty glasses.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Just down it real quick, bro. I couldn't even let that home. I already knew what it was. In my life, I would never do it. I said I would never do it too. I seen somebody drink tomato juice. I said I would never do it. Only the damn good company.
That was tomato juice? It's not to drink.
I don't know.
Who just says I had a rough day, some V8 spicy hot?
That was some V8 spicy juice, and I know this is stuff that you could just pick up at your local grocery store. I just don't see who buys this stuff. Like they were saying, I don't. Yeah, that.
It's not an easy task.
No, it's not.
It's not an easy task.
From your childhoods, what do you guys remember? What was your favorite drink? What was your most popular drink that you had in your home?
Kool-Aid.
I was about to say
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
Yeah, we always.
Blue raspberry.
Oh, blue raspberry. Yeah, that's the sky blue Kool-Aid. Yeah, I like that. Grape.
Grape.
Don't hurt
Okay.
me. Don't hurt me. Grape.
I'd have to go with. Red.
That's something for the Men in Black.
It's not in the contract. Oh my God.
Look at behind.
Is it alive?
I mean, I gotta get this one a close up on the camera. I don't even know what this is.
That's not fair.
I'll swallow this. I'm just gonna swallow it whole. I couldn't do this one. What was that? Rolled anchovies? Wow. I can't believe people get that on their. Do people still get that on their pizzas?
Yeah, they do.
Wow.
So that whole thing goes on the pizza?
I don't know. I never in my life ate an anchovy before, and I never will again.
You hear that, Elizabeth? I'm coming to join you, honey.
All right, guys. Last up,
Grand finale.
Grand finale. So let's get the energy back. We got it.
We eat that whole thing.
Like a bone.
Show you guys what we're working with here. It's
Oh my God.
horrible smell. It smells worse than it looks.
That fish from SpongeBob, they'd be like, my leg!
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me here. Let's go ahead and knock this up.
That one wasn't as bad as the other one.
Nah, I was just trying to be careful with that bone.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it was. What was it, Joey?
Beans. Okay.
Wow.
I was prepared for death. That looked nasty. That
looks
disgusting.
horrible. I remember my grandmother. We used to go to the riverfront, and she used to actually eat a lot of sardines
With crackers.
Yeah, sardines and crackers, but it's just not something I would. Would you buy it?
No. Dog can. Dog food.
Dog can, dog food.
Dog can.
Good concept there. There you have it. We took it back. We ate the stuff that the grandparents would normally eat. Maybe not the fried green chips. You know, that was a little twisted factor in there. But what was your best dish of today?
The best one was the chips.
Yeah,
of course.
chips.
Of course. I thought it was something deadly, but it wasn't. The chips was fine.
I'd have to go the same.
I would probably buy those chips.
What was you guys' worst?
Oh,
The anchovies.
Anchovies? Yeah.
Anchovies.
I have to go with this V8. That was horrible.
Yeah.
I mean, well, no, the anchovies actually get that gag reflex, but yeah, could you imagine an anchovy and a V8 at the same time? That would be pretty bad.
Yeah. That's a knockout.
Yeah, that is.
That's a knockout.
At the same time.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, Mr. Clutch. Thank you, Mr. Too Legit, for being a part of this. We'll have more coming your way here soon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave, Damn Good Cooking, signing out till next time.
Damn good cooking.
Peace.